coming for Su-27 formation flight. Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy. The aircraft is coming to your right. Very calm, very decent, and very charm.
Ladies and gentlemen, while these breathtaking aerial displays dazzle the eye, the Black Lion Air Show is far much more than entertainment. Each aircraft, each maneuver, each performance tells a story of courage, of skill, and the enduring legacy of the Ethiopian Air Force. A celebration of 90 years of defending our skies, fostering international collaboration, and inspiring the next generation of aviators. Once again, please enjoy the Black Lion Air Show 2022.
ክቡራን እንግዶቻችን የ27 ስትሪፕ ፎርሜሽን ፍላይት ወደኛ እየተቃረበ ነው። ወደ ቀኝ እንድትመለከቱ ጋብዛለሁ። ስልኮቻችሁን አዘጋጁ። ይህ የሚደገመው ከሁለት ዓመት በኋላ ስለሆነ ሚስ እንዳታረጉት ለማለት ነው። They are coming. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Black Lion Air Show where the lions rule the sky, Ethiopia. Su-27 three-ship flight coming from your right. It looks like very decent, very calm, and very charm. But let me tell you the attributes and the capabilities of the Su-27. Su-27 flanker is a powerful supersonic performance, super maneuverability flight known for its excellent high angle of attack, handling high speed, Mach 2.35. Now, the F-16 from Emirates. Ladies and gentlemen, this is F-16 from Emirates, now followed by two Mirage 2000 from United Arab Emirates. So let me continue the attributes and the capabilities of the Su-27 fighter aircraft. The Su-27 flanker is a powerful supersonic performance, super maneuverable fighter known for its excellent angle of attack, handling high speed, almost Mach 2.35, and impressive range, making it formidable opponent, especially in dogfights. Key performance aspects including twin AL-31F engines, high climbing rates, and exceptional agility, allowing it to perform complex maneuver like the Cobra. ክቡራን እንግዶቻችን ሱ-27 የአየር ኃይላችን የአየር የበላይነት የምናረጋግጥበት አራተኛው ትውልድ ፋይተር ኤርክራፍት ነው። በኢትዮ ኤርትራ ጦርነት የሰራውን ታሪክ ሁላችንም እናስታውሰዋለን። ሁለት ሚግ 29 ዶግ አመድ አድርጎ ከአየር ላይ ያነደደ ያወረደ አውሮፕላን ነው። We are coming for landing. The F-16, Su-27, and Mirage 2000. But I will tell you, we do have a surprise from your back. Don't be scared, ladies and gentlemen. One F-16 is coming from your back. Here it is, Mirage 2000. Thank you very much. F Mirage 2000 landing now. Here it is. ደረቱን ከፍ አድርጎ ሰጥቶ ነው የሚያርፈው። ለየት ይላል። Su-27 now for landing. Here it is. Our beautiful bird is coming for landing. Su-27. Ladies and gentlemen, we do have a surprise from our back. F-16 is coming your back. F-16 Falcon solo flights. I will explain to you step by step again how you can follow the aerobatics performed by Emirates elite pilots. F-16. It's coming from our back and make half in front of us, then the position to come from left. Here it is. F-16 Falcon. Roll. The elite pilot from Emirates. Then he's going to make half covenant. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a top maneuver. ክቡራን እንግዶቻችን እንደምትመለከቱት ከዩናይትድ አረብ ኤሚሬትስ እጅግ አስገራሚ የሆነውን የኤፍ-16 ፋልከን ሶሎ ፍላይት ዲሞንስትሬሽን ነው እያየን ያለ ነው። Now he's going to make reposition to come to your left. Repositioning. Coming from your left and making triple roll. Aileron roll. ሶስት ጊዜ ተገለባብጦ ያሳየናል። ተዘጋጁ። ይሄን ሚስ እንዳታረጉ። እኔቴን ነው የምላችሁ። አዘጋጁ ስልካችሁ። Ladies and gentlemen, get ready your camera please. 3 rolls consecutively. One, two. Sorry. The F-16, let me tell you the attributes and capabilities of this aircraft. The F-16 Flight Falcon is coming now for high G turn, pitch back, reposition forward, roll underneath. High G turn is making now high G turn. Then barrel roll. Now he's going to make high G turn in front of the guest of honor. Look how much he's agile and flexible. Look at it. Very beautiful indeed. Here it is, the high G maneuver, then para roll. Para roll argo no, rasun lammi katlaw.
Ladies and gentlemen, we extend our heartfelt appreciation to our friends from the United Arab Emirates. Their participation in this Black Lion Air Show is a testament to the spirit of friendship, excellence, and shared passion for aviation. Thank you to the UAE Air Force and Air Defense.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Ethiopian Air Force. Look to the left, please. He's coming for low speed, low altitude approach. It's a very dangerous maneuver indeed. It needs high pre-efficiency. ከፍተኛ የሆነ አብራሪዎችን ብቃት የሚጠይቅ በረራ ስልት ነው። Look at it. He's now in high angle of attack pass. High angle of attack pass. ደረቱን ወደ ሰማይ ሰጥቶ here it is now. The next maneuver will be a falcon turn. Falcon turn የተባለውን የማኖቨር አይነት እዛው ላይ ያሳየናል። This is the elite pilots from Emirates. Ladies and gentlemen, look at it. How a wonderful maneuver indeed. Here it is, F-16 Falcon. Ladies and gentlemen, he's coming from your right. Here it is, knife edge. ክቡራን እንግዶቻችን በዓላችን እንደቀጠለ ነው። ይህ የምታዩት የጥቁር አንበሳ የአየር ላይ ትርዒት በዛሬ ብቻ የሚቆም አይደለም። ነገም አለን፣ ከነገ ወዲያም አለን። በተከታታይ 4 ቀናቶች የሚካሄዱ ናቸው። ሁላችንም እየመጣን እንድናይ ተጋብዘናል። ሮል yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, the air show will remain open throughout the 90th anniversary of the Ethiopian Air Force celebrations. And indeed, this international air show positions Ethiopia as a true hub of aviation on the continent. What spectacular displays. Make sure not to miss the Black Lion